Today we're reviewing stock number 204429 on a 2018 Chevy Malibu LT, and our exterior color is gray. Interior options include smart key access, power windows, locks and mirrors, premium audio system, power seats with lumbar support, leather wrapped upholstery, sunroof, light controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, forward collision detection and lane departure warning, hands-free communication and audio controls, AM/FM radio with auxiliary, climate control with AC, heated seats, and OnStar. Our interior color is black. Moving to our exterior features, we have alloy wheels, rear parking assist, backup camera, remote trunk release, and a lot more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats, center armrest and cup holders. You can fold the seats down for more storage space. And once again, we're viewing stock number 204429 on a 2018 Chevy Malibu LT, and our exterior color is gray.